Once upon a time, in a land far away, a prince inherited his father's kingdom, but the kingdom which he inherited was not a prospering one. Now it was up to him to govern this fading realm. The once thriving realm had lost its abundance, and the prince knew that the fate of his cherished land now rested upon his shoulders. Undeterred by the daunting task that lay before him, the young king embarked on a journey that would take him to the farthest reaches of his domain. The young king scoured the land to seek guidance. He visited many places looking for sages or wise people who could help him to improve condition of his kingdom. Day after day, the king traveled vast landscapes, encountering both the beauty and the harshness of the world he sought to uplift. He listened to the tales of commoners, their voices echoing the hardships and dreams of a kingdom longing for restoration. From mountaintop hermits to humble farmers, he absorbed their stories, their hopes, and their fears, knowing that their collective wisdom would be instrumental in shaping the destiny of his realm. Yet, amid his tireless quest for enlightenment, destiny intervened to guide the young king towards an encounter that would forever alter the course of his reign. One day, the king came across an oracle. She told him, "I have been expecting you, your highness. Your father gave me a magical item long ago to be bequeathed unto you upon his death." Then the oracle presented the king with a seemingly unassuming copper urn. The young king thanked her, and as he was leaving, the oracle gave him a cryptic warning. She said, "Only a fool plants many seeds and refuses to allow them time to grow," she cautioned, her voice carrying a weight of profound wisdom. When the young king returned to his broken palace, as he gazed upon the urn, doubts and questions filled his mind. How could such a seemingly ordinary object hold the key to restoring his crumbling kingdom? The mystery of its purpose intrigued him, igniting a spark of curiosity deep within his soul. Just then, he heard some whispers coming from the urn. He picked up the urn and knocked and rubbed it to check it, and just then a genie emerged from the vessel. The genie greeted the young king with a flourish, offering him a chance to shape his destiny with 3 wishes. The king's eyes widened in amazement, realizing the incredible opportunity before him. The king looked at his palace and wished for a new one. In an instant, the genie gave him the finest palace, from the Red Sea to North Sea. Next, the king looked at his ragged robes and wished for new clothes, fit for a king. The genie snapped his fingers and gave him clothes of finest silk, embroidered with jewels and threads of gold. Finally, the young king thought and then said, "For my last wish, I wish for 3 more wishes." The genie explained to the young king, "You may wish for 3 more wishes, but my magic can only conjure 3 gifts at one time. However, I offer you a unique opportunity. For 100 days, your last wish will be reset, allowing you to make the same request repeatedly. But be forewarned. With each reset, the memory of the previous wishes will fade." What happened was, each day for 100 days, the king had wished for 3 more wishes, and as a result, the genie and the king had repeated the same day. The gifts were forgotten, and the realm remained trapped in an eternal winter. Just then, the young king remembered the words of the oracle. For his kingdom to prosper, he would need to allow it time to grow. At that time, he realized his mistake, and this time he used his 3 wishes wisely. He used his 3 wishes to restore the fertility of his lands, to remove disease and from subjects, and finally, to be a kind and benevolent ruler. The genie fulfilled all 3 wishes and vanished. With time and dedication, the king restored the kingdom to its former glory and lived happily ever after. So, the story teaches us several important lessons about responsibility and leadership. Seeking guidance and wisdom, patience and growth, and learning from mistakes. The prince inherited a fading kingdom, but instead of shying away from the challenge, he took it upon himself to govern and restore his realm. The lesson here is that leaders must embrace their responsibilities and recognize that the fate of their people rests on their shoulders. The young king embarked on a journey to seek guidance from sages and wise individuals. This demonstrates the importance of seeking advice and learning from the experiences of others. It highlights the value of humility and recognizes that no one person has all the answers. The Oracle cryptic warning about allowing seeds time to grow serves as a reminder of the importance of patience. The young king's initial wish for 3 more wishes demonstrated impatience and a desire for immediate gratification. However, through his mistake, he learned the importance of giving things time to develop and unfold naturally. The repetition of the same day due to the young king's repeated wishes for more wishes symbolizes the importance of learning from one's mistakes. It highlights the need to break free from unproductive cycles and patterns and to make choices that lead to growth and progress. This story serves as a timeless parable for everybody. It reminds us of the importance of learning from our mistakes, nurturing growth, and prioritizing the well-being of others. This is Inspired Data. Thank you for watching. If you want more life-changing lessons shared through stories, subscribe to this channel. You can also go and watch any of the other videos on this channel. And don't forget, you have the power to change your life.